Good morning from the Malverns. It's almost the new year. We're on a hike. We're heading to the top of the Malvern Hills this afternoon. Wait for me! We're going this way. Since we've been up the Malvern Hills. It's almost New Year, 29th of the 12th to be exact. I thought we'd come out and get some fresh air. I think we've got to go that way. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but it's getting a little bit mistier. I've had fog for almost a week. And it should have gone by now, but there's still a little bit of cloud on these hills today, so we'll see what views we'll get. Just spotted down the bottom over there, there's a little bit of sunshine. There must be a break in the clouds because the sun's shining on that football pitch. Switch back! Yay! Right, this is the final stretch. It's opening up a bit. I was hoping we might have got the cloud inversion today. I don't think it's going to happen. It's still very beautiful here. Always is. Still a glimmer of sunshine over there to our right. Getting denser. Haha! I can see the top. Just about. Very popular up here before the new year. Blaze found a bench. Perfect spot to have our mince pie. Oh my goodness! Mince pie and a bit of blue sky. Slowly but surely, we get a little bit more of a view. All of a sudden the wind whipped up and the cloud and the mist just parted. After the lovely surprise of the mist and clouds clearing, now heading back down. We're going to head back down a different way, I think. Wow, the difference a few moments makes. If we look behind us, mist and cloud at the top. back down to the road. We found the car. Now we're going to go in search of a particular geocache. We've done just over 3 miles, an hour and a half.
Nice gentle pace up the hill down the hill.
Very gentle.
Just making excuses for our slowness. There you go.
Right, let's go and find one of my geocaches. As you can tell, we're still in the Malverns. And I'm in search of one of my hidden geocaches because it's in need of some maintenance. It's hidden here, Tank Quarry. And these gates normally are open until 6 o'clock. But I presume because it's the Christmas period, it's closed at the moment. Not for hikers though, I should think. This geocache is called Who Was Here? The Crotons. And it's a geocache based on Doctor Who locations where Doctor Who was filmed. Where this cache is hidden, Doctor Who was filmed in the 60s with Patrick Troughton. The only problem is I've got to remember where I hid it, and it's somewhere over here. I could switch my phone on and try and get the coordinates, but I think this is more exciting. I think it's somewhere here, you know, and it is into a little bit of a secret. That is a geocache, false lid, and that was the issue. There was no log in there. Some kind soul has stolen it. Right, I've put it back, but can you see where? Nope, neither can I. And while we're here, I'll just show you the quarry. Free parking to walk from here up to the hills if you wish. And here it tells you a little bit about the quarry itself. It tells you about the history. It dates back over 500 million years. That is incredible. And this is the quarry itself. I don't know exactly where Doctor Who was filmed here, but it was. And it was also filmed in black and white as well. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. We'd also like to wish you a happy new year as well. Let's see what 2025 brings. We're almost at 7,000 subscribers. We should be there by sometime in January 25. And we hope you can join us for more adventures. See you next time.